guys, Noah Kepple out here. We're at PRIMM, Nevada for WORCS Round 1. I ride for the Three Brothers SRT Husqvarna team. Track's super sandy. We've got a sweet, gnarly pro section over there. It's rocky, which just suit my style very well. And just looking forward to getting the day started. And 2 hours is going to be a long time, but looking forward.
Dalton Shirey at round 1 at PRIMM Nevada, WORCS Racing. It's about to kick off here shortly in an hour.
My name's Walton. We're here at PRIMM, the first round. Ended up with a good position yesterday, riding for the Three Brothers SRT Husqvarna team. There's a lot of stuff that suits me out there, the sand and the roughness of the track. That's something that I like, so I feel like that's helps me going into today. It's supposed to be really gnarly out there, so it should be fun.
Yeah, 5th place start. Made my way up to 3rd, right behind Taylor and Zach, and then I sat right there for probably like 2 to 3 laps. Then I made a mistake, fell, and lost third. Then halfway into our halfway mark, ran out of gas and then came pushed as fast as I could get back. I don't know where I ended up.
Hey guys, it's Austin Walton. Just got done with the first Pro 2 Moto, the 2-hour long race. I'd say it was a pretty gnarly race. Definitely there was a lot of challenges for me out there. The pro section they added in, not my cup of tea, but you know, it's something I have to figure out. Had a crash out there the second to last lap and ended up coming back and finishing it, but just happy to finish with the 4th place, and you know, thanks to the Three Brothers SRT Husqvarna team for supporting me.
WORCS round 1, Primm, Nevada, started off pretty well. Got a pretty decent start in Pro 2 and was running up, I think, top 5, maybe around 4th or 5th or something like that. And pitted, and then unfortunately just started getting a little, not too tired, but just like dealing with the bumps and everything. This track was a man's track for sure. It was rough out there, and the square edges were really bad. Definitely a little bit different than it was yesterday, and just kind of dealt with it and rode around safe and sound and made it back. I believe I was 10th at the finish, and that's a bummer, but we'll be ready for the next one. We'll come out swinging.